Welcome back, guys and girls. Hey, just a quick tip, hack, whatever you want to call it. Working on the Nissan. This is a 4-liter V6 used in the Pathfinders, the Frontiers. Anyway, there's an issue people have on the automatics with getting the crankshaft bolt loose. It's torqued to like 150 foot-pounds, and so if you don't pull the radiator and you don't have a big air impact wrench, people have issues. And if you go online, common wisdom says put your big breaker bar on, put it over against the driver's side frame rail, and then get in and bump the starter. Yeah, I guess it works, but sounds like a recipe for breaking things to me. So anyway, this is how I removed and reinstalled the bolt. And right now I've got it in the position to reinstall it. And what I did was just took the serpentine belt, which I'm probably going to replace anyway. And what I did was I put it tight. Sorry about that. Put it tight around the pulley, and I clamped it with vice grips. Then I took the remainder of the belt, put it in behind the power steering pulley, both pieces, and put it over the center idler. And when I took it loose, this wrapped underneath. And you can see I've got it's an old heavy-duty ratchet. Breaker bar would have been better, but mine is not here at the house right now. And a big cheater pipe. Okay, and it was a pretty good amount of force standing over there to get it out. Then when I put everything back together, I just reversed the process as far as the rotation, and everything else is the same. And I have put this in with blue Loctite, and as hard as I can get that thing to pull over, which is about what it took to break it loose. So I'm pretty close. I'll put my torque wrench on it here in a minute and see what happens with it, but I think it only goes to about 120, so we'll see. But anyway, if you guys don't want to try the starter method, and you don't want to pull the radiator, and you don't have a big impact wrench or an air compressor to run one, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys.